are watching the Maritime Academy channel on YouTube. Italian Coast Guard patrol boat G94 Cappelletti sank in the morning June 1 off Capo Brezzano, Calabria, engulfed in flames and smoke. Fire broke in engine room, crew couldn't take it under control and had to abandon the boat. All 9 crew were rescued by another patrol boat. Cause of fire unknown. G94 Cappelletti recently was deployed in operations aimed at curbing illegal migrants' inflow, so sabotage version is on the list. Thank you for watching us.